We made all the things you like.
Yes, all mixed together. Don't go into the kitchen. Not until we've cleaned up, anyway.
Yummy! I'll be sure to try everything.
Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, what a beautiful card. Thank you, Maya. A pasta necklace. How lovely. Thank you, Sammy.
What would you like to do today?
I really don't mind, as long as we're all together.
We could go on an adventure.
As luck would have it, I already have an adventure planned. We're going on a picnic, and the picnic basket is packed and ready to go.
Picnic? Yippee!
Thanks, Dada Go. An adventure sounds wonderful.
Today is all about you, Mama Go, just as soon as I get a few jobs done.
I love jobs. What do we have to do?
We need to go to the filling station, the shop, and the library.
Maya can help you make sure you remember everything.
I'm good at remembering things.
Great! Let's go.
Sounds like there's a lot to do.
Now, we'll try to get our jobs done quickly so we can get to the park and have our picnic.
First stop is the filling station. Yay!
Oh no. I think Dada Go has left something behind. Let's hope they realize and go back and get it.
The next place we need to stop is the shop.
Thanks, Maya. You're really a very good helper.
But what about the picnic basket? Oh dear.
I need to buy some paper cups for the picnic.
Will there be lemonade?
You'll have to wait and see.
The last stop is the library. Don't forget.
Dada Go doesn't forget things. Not normally, anyway.
All we have to do here is return some library books.
And now for our picnic adventure.
We're nearly at the park now. Ah, here we are.
We're here.
I'll get the picnic basket. Oh, no. Oh, I don't think I shut the boot properly. The picnic basket must have fallen out somewhere.
Oh, no. We need to find it.
We'll retrace our steps. Can you remember where we went, Maya?
I think so. The last place we went was the library.
It won't be at the library.
Well, there's no picnic basket here.
The next place we went to was the shop.
Or the shop, I'm afraid.
The picnic basket's not here either.
The very first place we stopped was the filling station.
Ah, you won't have much luck here, Dada Go.
Oh, dear. It's not here either. It's lost. I'm very sorry, everyone.
It doesn't matter. Why don't we go home and have lunch there instead?
That's not the same as a picnic.
We'll do it again another day. And we did have quite an adventure looking for the basket.
And I got to help Dada.
And you did a very good job.
Finally, we're home.
Dada, look! It's the picnic basket.
Oh, I must have forgotten to put it in the boot. That's what happens when you rush.
But we found it. Hooray!
It's too late to go back to the park now.
Let's have the picnic right here, in our very own garden.
That's a wonderful idea, Maya.
Yummy.
Hands up who'd like a cup of lemonade.
I do.
No surprises there, then.
Something smells delicious. I think it's coming from the Go house. It looks like Dada Go has been baking. He's completely covered in flour, and so is the kitchen.
Ugh, never again. Who knew baking cookies would be so messy?
Something smells delicious. And Dada Go, you've got some flour on your face.
Did I get it?
You, missed a bit.
Oh, goody! That bell means my cookies are ready.
Yummy! Cookies! Can we have one? Cookie, please! Cookie, please!
The cookies are very hot, Sammy. They'll need to cool down first. Well, this could take a while. Maybe I'll do a spot of gardening to pass the time.
Dadago loves gardening. He says he finds it very relaxing. But wait, he's walking right past his gardening tools. Oh, now I see what he means. That does look relaxing.
Cookies. No, Sammy, we have to wait. What will we do to pass the time until the cookies cool down? I know. Why don't we play a game? Great idea, Sophie. How about musical statues? Perfect. Sounds fun. Game, game, game. When the music stops, we have to stand very still, just like a statue. Okay, Sammy? Like a statue, like a statue. Exactly. Okay, go!
Oh, everybody stop.
That's
it. Stay completely still. Well now, who's this cheeky little fella then?
Huh? Sammy, you moved. Sorry, but that means you're out. But I heard noise. Don't worry, Sammy. You can be in charge of the music. Yay!
Nobody move! Oh, looks like our little friend is back for a second helping.
What was that? Sophie, you moved. You're out. But I thought I heard... Never mind.
You're all doing so well. Oh, now he's taking the biscuit.
Okay, I definitely heard something that time. Me too. Me three. How strange. There's only one cookie left. But where did the other ones go? Dada take cookie. I don't know, Sammy. How could Dada take the cookies? Yes, look. He's fast asleep. Maybe he's only pretending. There's only one way to find out.
He certainly sounds like he's asleep. What a racket.
Dada, are you asleep or just pretending to be?
Yes, Mr. President. I grew all these vegetables myself.
He's definitely asleep. Then who took the cookies? Quirrell, Quirrell. Quirrell? What does squirrel mean? Squirrel! Look, that squirrel is the one who's been stealing the cookies. I say Quirrell. He's got the last one. Come on, everyone. Time to play one last game. It's called Stop That Squirrel. I don't know that one. Oh, right. Wait for me.
Oh, that is one speedy little squirrel. He's making a break for it across the lawn.
Stop! Cookie thief!
Uh-oh, he's heading for the tree. Oh, dear. They'll never catch him now.
Quirrell! Oh, you're right, Sammy. Oh, how will we get the cookies back now? Hey, look! There's more than one squirrel up there.
Would you look at that? A whole family of squirrels munching away on the cookies.
Those squirrels have our cookies. Hey, maybe he's the Dada squirrel getting snacks for those kid squirrels.
They seem to be enjoying them. Silly squirrels.
What do you say we get started on a new batch of cookies?
Yay!
We have a very important job to do today, Maya.
Grandpa, why are we whispering?
Today, we are going to plant some cabbage plants in my vegetable patch for Grandma's birthday. But it's a top secret surprise.
Cabbage? As a birthday present? That will be a surprise.
Grandma loves homegrown cabbage. It's her favorite. I'm going to plant these cabbage plants with my other veggies right over... Oh, my. I think we have some hungry visitors.
Snails! They have eaten all your vegetables, Grandpa.
Yeah. I think they were very hungry.
We can't plant Grandma's birthday cabbage here. Those greedy snails will eat it all.
Shoo! Shoo! Off you go now. On your way. Toodaloo.
Shoo! Shoo!
I have an idea.
That's not for you.
It looks like Maya has an idea too.
Come on, snails. Would you like to taste this delicious lettuce leaf? You're under arrest, snail. I'm sending you to snail jail for munching vegetables that aren't yours. And you, where do you think you're going?
Oh, I think these guys are in trouble.
There, I'm afraid you'll have to stay here in snail jail until you learn not to eat veggies that aren't yours. Look, Grandpa, I've put the snails in snail jail.
I think you have a few jailbreakers.
Oh no, they're escaping. Stop, go back.
I don't think they want to go back to snail jail.
But if I set them free, they'll eat Grandma's birthday cabbage.
I may have another solution to our snail situation.
Eggshells?
In my gardening book, it says that snails don't like them.
It worked! Come on, snails. I know just the place for you.
You know, Maya, the snails didn't mean to steal the lettuce. They didn't know who owned it.
Oh, you were just hungry. Maybe you shouldn't go to snail jail. But I think you'll like my new snail hotel. You can stay here for as long as you like, and I'll make sure there's plenty for you to nibble on. Dinner is served.
Oh, that's the perfect place for hungry snails to visit. Oh, goodness me.
I think you're hungry too.
I'm making your favorite, Maya. Pea soup with fresh peas from Grandpa's veggie patch.
Yum.
It's my favorite too.
Don't forget to wash those green fingers before tea.
Grandma, what's your favorite soup?
Mine? Cabbage. I just love cabbage. When are you going to grow me some, Grandpa Go?
Oh, yes. I must get around to that. It's on the top of my to-do list.
I think Grandma will love her birthday surprise.
I hope so. Thanks for all your help, Maya.
Wait! We've just forgotten one thing.
We have?
They need a quick song.
Well, in that case...
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la,
la la la